Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my favorite Starbucks refreshing drink.
Squeezing the juice, squeezing the juice.
Ow, Cloudy.
Wait, where does that come out in?
You'll need 6 lemons, 6 apples, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 8 cups of boiling water. Let's start by peeling 4 lemons and saving the zest. And next you want to peel your apples. Once you peel your apples, you want to slice them in half and remove the seeds. To your blender, you want to add about 6 cups of your hot water, and you're going to drop your apples right on in. And next, you want to blend until smooth. And boom, done. Add your sugar. Give that a quick mix, and you're gonna allow this to set for 15 to 20 minutes. We want all those flavors to combine, and while we're letting this rest, we're gonna go ahead and start squeezing our lemons. And I'm just pouring the remaining water to our mix.
Squeezing the juice, squeezing the juice.
Ow, Cloudy.
Wait, where does that come out in?
Ooh, what's the name of that? Why can't I ever remember
I think we're
anything?
getting older. Use Club,
We
can you
are.
help us out?
Yeah, friends, our last recipe, I did an oopsie, but just remember that in the description area, I'm human. I'll let you guys know. I meant baking powder.
And those of you that have been here since the coffee cake days know that baking soda and baking powder apparently is the same item for stuff.
It's not, okay? It's not. I get it. Be nice about it, Cloud.
I'm just having a little fun.
But that's the one that I think forever it'll happen. So thank you to all of you that want me to stay true to myself. And friends, I grew up thinking that this was juice. Yes, the fruit frozen concentrates. But let me tell you, when you want to kick it up a notch with the flavor of whatever you're having, if it's fruit and it's frozen, I suggest you use one of these. And I am going to be using 1 whole can of this for our lemonade.
And this was on sale for $1.79 at King Soopers.
Awesome. And if you guys don't want to blend and do the apple, guess what? You can come straight to this. But I like to add a little bit of freshness, combine the flavors. You guys already know how I am. Some of you might think I'm extra, and that's beautiful. I like it. I learned how to make old-fashioned lemonade from an old-fashioned gal from Alabama.
You did.
I did. I paid attention. I think she was in her 70s, 80s.
She was from Alabama? Why do you think she was from Missouri?
No, her parents were originally from Missouri, and
okay.
she grew up in Alabama in a farm,
right.
and she knew how to make the most amazing clover rolls, like I showed you guys, and I learned a lot of my casserole mom ways from this old lady.
Her bakes were delicious, and even her raisin bars. Remember those?
I love raisin bars. A lot of people might say, ugh, but I'm one of those people that loves raisins. So, how do you think you keep your skin so youthful? You know that? With raisins.
I love raisins.
They're amazing antioxidant, just like your wine.
I was gonna say, just like the California raisins.
All right, so once we have that, it's gonna dissolve with the warmness that we have going on in our blender. We're gonna go ahead and pour that right on in.
Applesauce.
Applesauce is ready for you. Fuse Club Junior, you know I love you. This
I'm
is
at
for
that
you.
age where I'm gonna love applesauce.
I love applesauce. It's the old lady in me. Hey.
The Views Club Junior loves applesauce.
You know, that's why we get along so well.
Right?
We love Baby Shark and we love applesauce.
Their mamitas are always making them applesauce.
And if you want to make applesauce out of this, I like to put a little sprinkle of clove, cinnamon, and a dash of vanilla. And boom, done, amigos. And boom, done, amigos. Cloud is ready for a taste. Friends, before we have a taste, I want to let you guys know how I order this at Starbucks. You ask for a lemonade with apple juice, and boom, done. Okay? So for those of you making it at home, you can substitute your sugars, and at the end of the day, this is way less sugar than you would get with some soda. Because apparently I've been saying soda a lot.
Or pop.
Or pop. Hey, I should change it.
You're from the Midwest.
Imagine if I say some baking pop.
Stop it.
Oh wow, that's amazing. And it's so refreshing and cold. Make sure to get a bag of ice and treat yourself. And you can recycle your Starbucks cup for a nice little comfy drink in your home.
You just described yourself.
All right, Cloud and I have to go, so look away. As always, Cloud and I are wishing you the best. We absolutely adore you. We know there's a lot of things going on in the world, and Texas, our heart is with you. And on that one, we'll see you guys tomorrow.